welcome to Vidyapeetham. This is Nitya. Today we are going to discuss about MCQs on nervous system. It is useful to crack teaching exams, railway, SSC and PSC exams. So let us start today's section. The first question, neurons are part of which system of human body? We know that neuron is the structural and functional unit of a nervous system. So the first option, the circulatory system, second option, excretory system, third option, reproductive system, and fourth option, nervous system. So here the answer is nervous system. The second question, the somatosensory receptors in human being detect. First one, taste, second option, smell, third option, touch, fourth option, hear. So the somatosensory receptors to help recognize touch and temperature. Here the answer is third option, touch. Which of the following is not a part of the hindbrain? First one, cerebrum, second one, cerebellum, third option, encephalon, fourth one, medulla oblongata. We know that the brain is divided into mainly three regions. First one, forebrain, second one, midbrain, third one, hindbrain. Forebrain is made up of cerebrum and encephalon. Second, midbrain is made up of brainstem. Third, hindbrain is made up of cerebellum and medulla oblongata. So hindbrain is the part of cerebellum and medulla oblongata is a part of hindbrain. Cerebrum and encephalon is part of forebrain. So here the answer is option 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is the correct answer. The diseases caused by swelling of the membrane over a spinal cord and brain is first one, leukemia, second one, paralysis, third one, sclerosis, fourth one, meningitis. The brain and the spinal cord is covered with a membrane is called meninges. The meninges, the disease caused by swelling is called meningitis. So the correct answer is fourth option, meningitis. The fifth question, which lobe of the brain is responsible for hearing? First one, occipital lobe, second one, temporal lobe, third one, parietal lobe, and fourth one, frontal lobe. We know that the cerebrum is divided into four regions. First one, frontal lobe, second one, temporal lobe, third one, parietal lobe, and fourth one, occipital lobe. And occipital lobe is responsible for seeing, and temporal lobe is responsible for hearing. Parietal lobe is responsible for touching. So here the question is, which lobe of the brain is responsible for hearing? The answer is temporal lobe. Option 2 is the correct answer. Which lobe of the brain is responsible for touching? First option, occipital lobe, second one, temporal lobe, third one, parietal lobe, fourth one, frontal lobe. So parietal lobe is responsible for touching. So option 3 is the correct answer. Seventh question, brain receives and sends signals in the form of first one, chemical impulses, second one, magnetic impulses, third one, mechanical impulses, fourth one, electrical impulses. So the neurons send the signals in the form of electrical impulses. So brain receive and send signals in the form of electrical impulses. Option 4 is the correct answer. The study of nervous system is called nephrology. Second option, myology. Third option, mycology. Fourth one, neurology. The study of nervous system is called neurology. The average weight of a human brain is about 1 kilogram. Second option 1400 gram. Third option 1500 gram. Fourth option 1600 gram. So the correct answer is 1400 gram or 1.4 kg. 10th question, which part of the brain is responsible for the feeling of thirst, hunger and sleep? The options are cerebellum, option 2 cerebrum, option 3 hypothalamus, option 4 medulla oblongata. And the hypothalamus is the center for hunger, thirst, sweating, sleep, temperature, love and hate. So the answer is option 3, hypothalamus. Human brain has consist how many neuron cells? Option 1, 1 billion, option 2, 10 billion, option 3, 1000 billion, option 4, 100 billion. So the answer is option 4, 100 billion. 12th question, in how many times human will lose their consciousness if blood will stop flowing to the brain? Option 1, 2 seconds, option 2, 5 seconds, option 3, 15 to 20 seconds, option 4, 5 minutes. The correct option is option 2, 5 seconds. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next question, spinal cord originate from which part of the brain? Option 1, cerebellum, option 2, medulla oblongata, option 3, pons, option 4, cerebrum. So spinal cord originate from medulla oblongata, so the correct answer is option 2. Next one, pons, cerebellum and medulla oblongata are which part of the brain? First option forebrain, second option hindbrain, option 3 midbrain, option 4 none of the above. Pons, cerebellum and medulla oblongata are part of hindbrain. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, those reflex action which involve brain are called option 1 stimulus, option 2 cerebral reflexes, option 3 spinal reflexes, fourth one reflex arc. So option 2 is the correct answer. Cerebral reflexes are the actions which involve brain. So option 2 is the correct answer. A microscopic gap between a pair of adjacent neurons over which nerve impulses pass when going from one neuron to the next is called. First option neurotransmitter, option 2 synapse, option 3 axon, option 4 dendron. So the correct answer is option 2, synapse. Synapse is the microscopic gap between a pair of adjacent neurons over which nerve impulses pass when going from one neuron to the next neuron. Next question, which nerve is attached to the brain and emerge from the skull? Cranial nerve, spinal nerve, scleral nerve, none of the above. And the cranial nerve is attached to the brain and emerge from the skull. So the correct answer is cranial nerve. Option 1 is the correct answer. What is the speed of nerve impulses? First option 160 meter per second. Option 2 0.5 to 130 meter per second. Third option 10 to 30 meter per second. Option 4 50 to 150 meter per second. So the correct answer is 0.5 to 130 meter per second. Option 2 is the correct answer. The speed nerve impulses is 0.5 to 130 meter per second. Next question, what do spinal cord injuries usually lead to? First option, deep state of unconsciousness. Second option, not enough dopamine. Third option, paralysis. Fourth option, NOA, that is none of the above. So the correct answer is option 3, paralysis. Next question, the synapse specially responsible for communication between the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system, individual nerve fibers. Third option, the brain and the spinal cord. Fourth option, individual neurons. Synapse is the microscopic gap between two neurons. So it is responsible for communication between the individual neurons. Option 4 is the correct answer. The nervous system controls the skeletal muscles. First one, sympathetic nervous system. Second one, parasympathetic nervous system. Third one, afferent nervous system. And fourth one, somatic nervous system. And the somatic nervous system control the skeletal muscle. So the correct answer is option 4, somatic nervous system. Next question, what are nasal bodies? First option, Golgi bodies. Second option, lysosome. Third option, cluster of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Fourth option, mitochondria. Nasal bodies are found in neurons, and it is nasal bodies are of endoplasmic reticulum. It is free from ribosome. So option 3 is the correct answer, cluster of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Option 3 is the correct answer. Nasal bodies are cluster of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next question, name the multipolar neuron which is located entirely within the central nervous system. First one, motor neuron. Second one, afferent neuron. Third one, efferent neuron. Fourth one, interneuron. So the correct answer is interneuron. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next question, how do neurons communicate with one another? Option 1, electrically. Option 2, chemically. Third one, radio wave impulses. Option 4, A and B. So neurons are communicate with one another electrically and chemically. So option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4, A and B. Next question, sympathetic nervous system is associated with hormonal secretion. Option 2, fear and rage. Third, skeletal muscles. Option 4, fight and flight. So sympathetic nervous system is associated with fight and flight. So option 4 is the correct answer.